morning everybody, and welcome to a very wet and rainy morning. I'm on my way to the office and I am filming and what I eat in a day today, but with a bit of a twist. I'm dining out majority of the day today. I have not brought lunch with me, and also I'm going out for dinner with a friend because we have tickets to see Studio Ghibli Orchestra, which I'm so excited about. So I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you a day when I'm not on it. I have no idea what I'm having, and it's not going to be as calorie conscious as it normally is. It's such a wet, rainy autumn day. Very grey, very miserable in Manchester, but ever so cosy. Natasha, you've not brought your lunch. Why are you carrying a little lunch bag? And that is because one thing I don't like to do when I have drinks at home is to buy like a bottle of drink in central Manchester, because it's just like 3 times the price. So I brought a can of Coke with me, Coke Zero, but I also am carrying a housewarming gift for a friend, and it fits very conveniently in this little bag, which I can also fold up and put in my backpack later. Out to grab a quick lunch in between meetings. I'm just strolling over to Marks and Spencer's to see what they have. I'm thinking about going for a salad just because, as I mentioned, I'm out for dinner tonight and I don't want anything too big, but I've also not had breakfast, so I am a little bit hungry. So yeah, let's go and see what they've got. Some lunch. I went for a naked chicken kebab salad, and I also got some aromatic kiwi berries to munch on in the afternoon as well. Really nice evening. I haven't eaten as much as I'd like today, if I'm honest, because the portion sizes that we had for dinner were quite small, because we didn't have a lot of time. So we ended up sharing the starters, and I'm still quite hungry. So I think I might do something very cheeky and go to the McDonald's drive-thru when Andy picks me up at the station. Again, just shows you the kind of real life typical sorts of situations where I'm not always 100% strict, and sometimes I'm happy because it's just what you need to end the night. Back home now. What a fantastic day and evening. Honestly, it was so good. And as I mentioned, we went home via Mackey's. Harrison and I shared a medium fries in the car because we were too hungry, but I also have a double cheeseburger as well, which is not the healthiest. It's well late. I shouldn't be eating this at all, but hey ho, I'm gonna have some. Sometimes McDonald's just slaps. Like, I think we were just saying this, weren't we, Layla? Like, McDonald's fries.
Yeah, but why are you doing it with ketchup?
Epic every single time. Because I've just got in from town, I'm still freezing. I've got my big dressing gown on, my pajamas on. I'm gonna have a brew after this as well, and I might even have a square of dairy milk because
I just feel like I need a bit of sugar. Like, honestly, today has been such an indulgent day for me with having noops and then going out for dinner and then having takeout. Days are very, very rarely like this, guys, but I wanted to show the realism of what some days do look like. So if you overindulge, or if you have days when you eat on the go majority of the day and you eat a lot of processed crap, you're not alone. So anyway, I'm gonna go. Hope you all enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.